Welcome to today's mathematics class. Topic Knowing our numbers. Now we will see the symbols used in comparison. First one, greater than symbol, where you have to write the biggest number at the beginning, then the symbol and then the smallest number. One more, less than symbol, where you are going to write the smallest number at the beginning, then the symbol and then the greatest number. Now we will see how to compare the numbers. There are two rules. Rule number 1, you have to compare the number of digits in both the numbers. If the number of digits are not equal, then whichever number is having the greatest digit is the biggest number. For example, in 78 and 876, 78 is having only 2 digits, whereas in 876 it consists of 3 digits. That's why 78 is less than 876. One more example, 5637 and 98. Here clearly we can say that 5637 is greater than 98. One more example, 90 and 890. Here 90 is having only 2 digits, whereas in 890 there are 3 digits. That's why 90 is less than 890. Now we will see rule number 2. Here you have to compare the number of digits. If the number of digits in both the numbers are equal, then you have to compare the leftmost digit of the number. If that is equal, then you have to move to the immediate right of the digit. If that is also equal, then you have to continue this procedure till you get the unequal digits. Whenever you get the unequal digits, whichever number is having the greatest digit is the biggest number. For example, in 67 and 63, the leftmost digit is 6. Then you have to move to the next digit, whereas you will get 7 and 3. Here 7 is greater than 3. That's why 67 is greater than 63. One more example, 4890 and 4980. Here the leftmost digit is 4. That's why you are comparing the next digit. You will get 8 and 9. Here clearly you can say that 8 is less than 9. That's why 4890 is less than 4980. One more example where you can see the numbers. Ascending and descending order. Here a set of numbers are given: 291, 230, 213, 277 and 245. You have to write the answer for ascending order and descending order. Here you have to apply the rules. You cannot apply rule number 1 because here all the numbers are having equal digits. So you have to use rule number 2, where you have to compare the leftmost digit of all the numbers. Here the leftmost digits are same. That's why you have to compare the next digit. You will get 9, 3, 1, 7 and 4. Here you can easily write which is the greatest number and which one is the smallest number. Now shall we write the ascending order? 213 less than 230, less than 245, less than 277, less than 291. What about the descending order now? 291 greater than 277, greater than 245, greater than 230, greater than 213. Here you have to use less than symbol in ascending order and greater than symbol in descending order. Here is an activity for you where you have to use the given digit. Without repeating the digit, you have to form the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. So the first one where the digits are 5, 4, 8, 0. You have to use the digit and you have to form the greatest number. What will be the greatest number here? 8540. Then what about the smallest number? You cannot write 0458 because it is 458. It is considered as 3-digit number. That's for The smallest number is 4058. Two more examples where you have to solve it. Shifting the digit. Here a number will be given to you. You have to shift the digit in such a way that you have to get the smaller and the greater number. So here the original number is 498. Here you have to shift the digit to get the greatest number. If you shift the second and the third digit, you will get 489. Again, if you exchange the first and the third digit in the new number, you will get the greatest number, that is nothing but 984. What and all we studied now? We studied about symbols, rules of comparison, ascending and descending order when the numbers are given, and then shifting the digits to form the greatest and smallest number. Here comes an worksheet for you where you have to compare the following numbers and you have to write the appropriate symbol, that is greater than or less than symbol. Here comes one more worksheet where a set of numbers are given. You have to write it in ascending and descending order. And one more question where you have to write Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Thank you.